Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to enable and use Bitcoin in Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Make sure you are logged in. On the home screen, locate the Money tab or the Bitcoin icon. Tap on it to access Bitcoin features. Next, you can initiate a transaction. If you want to buy Bitcoin, tap the Buy button. If you already have Bitcoin in another wallet and want to deposit it, tap Deposit Bitcoin. Cash App may prompt you to verify your identity before you can complete any transaction. If verification is required, follow the on-screen instructions. After verification, you can complete your first Bitcoin purchase. Enter the amount you wish to buy. You can start with as little as $1. Then confirm the transaction using your Cash App PIN or Touch ID. Your purchase will be added to your Bitcoin balance immediately. Once you have completed your first transaction, your Bitcoin wallet will be active. You will see your unique wallet address, which allows you to receive Bitcoin from other wallets. You will also have full access to send, receive, and manage Bitcoin directly within Cash App. Thanks for watching.